Hello, beautiful soul family. Thanks for joining me on this channel. I'm Sudipta, the Mystic Crab. I'm here with your daily reading for the 14th of May. The focus of this channel is to help you rise to your true potential. I'm here to help you get the daily guidance towards the life of your dreams. This is a general reading. Please take what resonates with your particular situation. It's a timeless reading. Please take the guidance when you're drawn to it. To book private readings with me, you can find the details below in the description box. If you like the content, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Alright, so jumping into the reading. So, what I get from today's reading is for a very long time we have been feeling unfulfilled in our lives. We have been feeling there's been some kind of health issues or financial issues or certain issues which have been holding us back, because here you have this earth energy of this woman holding a coin but in reverse. So we have been feeling a lack of abundance, but the thing is, it is a spiritual journey. This is for us to understand that at this point there is a major reformation happening in the entire world, and that is the reason, because this number 12, it comes down to the number 3, that's the Holy Trinity, and it also means getting the 3 important pieces of us together, that's the mind, body, and spirit. So this is the time when everything needs to align for ascension. We have to move beyond the earth plane eventually, and that is why this period is so important. This is a spiritual change that is going on in everybody's life, and that is why we have been feeling the feeling of lack and lack of abundance, lack of health or wealth or whatever. So this is the spiritual journey that's been going on, and the sun is about to rise. The sun is about to rise, and along with it, it brings us all the abundance that we want. It brings us new opportunities. It brings us the life that we have always wanted for ourselves. It brings us all the little joys that we have always seeked. So like I was talking yesterday, that this entire period, there's this energy of karmic healing going on, a karmic healing of karmas over thousands of years, because honestly we all are spirits having a human experience. So this lifetime most of us are here to balance our karmas, and because of that a major change is coming into our lives, and the sun is about to rise. The sun is about to rise in our life. Major healing has been going on. Archangel Gabriel is here, who has been working day in day out with us to help us communicate, express our truth, become more authentic. And if you have seen the rise of people who are coming up with their own original content, coming up with their own original business plans, business ideas, so that is in itself an indication which shows that the angels are working with us. Archangel Raphael, he is been working with us to heal us. That's healing the heart center, that's the 4th chakra, and heart is the place where your soul resides. So a major cleansing has been going on, and the angels have been working with you day in day out. You believe in them, you don't, but they exist. They're always looking out for you. They're protecting you, they're loving you. You are so loved because you are a unique creation of the universe. You are a child of God, and you are very much loved. You're not forgotten at all. Anything that is going on in your life is happening for you, not to you. Major cleansing is going on. This is the time to let go, and all you need to do is cooperate. So in your quest to manifest the energy of love, you realize that every person and experience has value. All you need to do right now is cooperate with this change which the universe is bringing into your life. God is willing to help you. Are you willing to help yourself? Are you willing to take the responsibility for this new change that is going to come into your life? Will you be able to handle this new change where all your karmas are wiped off and you get a clean slate to start writing things better? Start writing a better story of your life. Number 3 again, this is a synchronicity that you are on a spiritual path, cleansing is happening, but are you ready to take the responsibility of writing a responsible story for yourself and for your role in the society and on this planet? You are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amount of love you express. Please bring love into your life, first for yourself, and let that love radiate through your heart center to everybody. Share the compassion in your heart so that you can receive that same love and compassion back. That's the basic law of karma, law of cause and effect. What you send, that's what comes back to you. So send the energy of love, that's the purest energy. So that's the message I have for you guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful energy going on right now in the planet. So let's do our work and let's write a better story. Let's make the world a better place than we found it. So that's the message I have for you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.